Hello guys and welcome to my channel Sandy's World. So in today's video I'll be talking about how TVS Apache cheated me. So let's get started. So in October 2016 I purchased the bike and I asked them what are your offerings, and they said it will be 1,10,000 for the base variant with Remora tires and 5 years warranty and a nil depreciation insurance. So I was quite okay with the pricing because it was the best at that time. So I went for it, and then all the buying process happened, and then very recently after my Hampi ride, I claimed an insurance for few of my parts, and then I realized that they haven't given me a zero depreciation insurance. So I never knew that it is not a zero dep insurance. I always believed that it was a zero dep insurance because at that time they said it was, and I never checked the insurance copy. So it is also my mistake that I would have checked it, but for bike with people don't really check all those things. But one of my friend Jayesh, that Apache guy, he also bought the same bike from the same place. But when I told him that this is what has happened with me, so he checked his insurance and it was a zero depreciation insurance, and with the same price, with the same buy of a 5 years warranty and zero dep insurance, Remora tires, he had the same bike, same color, everything same, month was the same, and at the same price he got a zero dep insurance and I got a normal insurance. And moreover, I asked them to give me a zero dep insurance, and at that time they gave me a slip, and they had written everything on that it will be a zero dep insurance, 5 years warranty, and all those stuffs it was written. So I don't have that paper right now, but I still remember that I had that, and maybe somewhere in my house it should be there. So I called Abhishek TVS, madam sits over there, and I had a conversation with her, and she told me that no sir, हमने तो आपको नहीं दिया होगा, हम दूसरों को भी नहीं देते. तो then I gave her the reference of Jayesh, and I told her that at the same price you have given the same bike, the same 5 years warranty, but you gave him that zero depreciation, and even after asking for a zero dep insurance you didn't give me. So she said, सर आपने 400 रुपीज़ का भरा नहीं होगा, सो इसलिए आपको दिया नहीं गया होगा, या उनको स्पेशल रेफरेंस में कुछ किया होगा. तो आई सेड वाई इज़ दिस योर स्पेशल रेफरेंस? जब मैंने भी 1,10,000 भरा है, आपने भी, उसने भी 1,10,000 भरा है, आपने दोनों से 1,10,000 लिया है, तो आप कैसे एक को ज़ीरो डेप इंश्योरेंस दे सकते हो और एक को नहीं दे सकते हो? बट देन शी रियलाइज्ड कि हाँ ये अभिषेक टीवीएस की गलती है, एंड शी कॉल्ड मी अप एट टीवीएस अभिषेक. सो आई आस्क्ड हर व्हाट विल यू गिव मी इसके ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दिस. सो शी सेड हम कुछ करके देते हैं, वी विल वर्क इट आउट समथिंग फॉर यू. मैंने बोला कि व्हाट विल यू गिव मी? सो शी सेड जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम इंश्योरेंस करेंगे तो हम आपको ज़ीरो डेप्रिसिएशन करके दे देंगे, एंड वी विल नॉट चार्ज यू फॉर दैट. मैंने सारा इंश्योरेंस क्लेम किया. नाउ आई हैव टू पे 5,000 रुपीज़. तो आप जब मैं नेक्स्ट इंश्योरेंस करूँगा तब आप मुझे 400 रुपये देंगे, मैंने ये कहा उन्हें. सो शी वॉज, मतलब उनके पास वर्ड्स ही नहीं बचे थे बोलने के लिए. क्या बोलेंगे वो? वैसे भी तो उनकी सर्विस तो फालतू है ही. सो I paid that amount that time because I didn't want to screw up anything on my bike, but that was the last time I gave my bike to TVS Apache for service, and I don't really recommend Abhishek TVS for any purchase because they actually don't know what they are doing with the customers, and they don't know how to treat their customers. While buying the bike, they आपको सारा गुड़ पेड़ा खिला देंगे, आपको कोल्ड ड्रिंक पिला देंगे, but after that what are you doing? एक कस्टमर को आप वो सब कुछ दे रहे हो, माइट भी हर लोगों को आप वो 1,10,000 में यू आर गिविंग दैट जीरो डेप इंश्योरेंस, बट वन यू आर मिसिंग, और वो कितना डिफरेंस हो जाता है। एंड कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंड दे आर सेविंग 400 रुपीज़। उन्होंने मेरे बिल में से 400 रुपीज़ मुझसे लिए भी और मुझे दिया भी नहीं, सो they took away my 400 rupees, and that 400 has come up with a 4,000 rupees to me. 4,000 been 5,000, it has came as a 5,000 rupees to me now. You can say laparwahi, because of the laparwahi this is all happened. And I will tell you guys, don't buy anything from Abhishek TVS, and don't service your bike at Abhishek TVS. I will make a separate video on Abhishek TVS service center. So I would like to tell you that if you want to check your insurance copy, go check it out on your insurance copy over here. So on the add-on coverage, there will be a nil depreciation of around 400 rupees. So your total amount should be around, I can't exactly show this, so mine was 2,500, and when you buy zero depreciation it will be around 3,000. So check your insurance copies and check whether you have got a nil depreciation. If you have paid 1,000, if you have paid 1,10,000, you should get the nil depreciation, 5 years warranty, and whatever they have told you that they will give you. So hope you found this video useful, and please check it out, and at least आप लोग का पैसा बचना चाहिए. I want you guys to save your money, and अगर ये आप लोग के साथ भी हो रहा है then please comment down below, and I am going to contact the owner of Abhishek TVS. भले ये कुछ 400 रुपये के लिए है या 4,000 रुपये के लिए, but it is the customer's money, and आपने वो चीज़ दिया नहीं है अभी तक, so आपको भरपाई करनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए. So soon I will be contacting them. I haven't got time to go there, but I will surely do something on this. और अगर हो सके तो कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में भी जाऊँगा अगर टाइम मिले तो. So guys, hope you found this video useful. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and अगर आप भी यही फेस कर चुके हैं then comment down below and we will take it forward. Thank you and have a great day.